So here we are today. Please let me introduce Dale Fortna, and he is with CNC Glass Company. We're here today to share that Penny Realty partners with CNC Glass, and your services are utilized by Penny Realty on all of our properties in our portfolio. Tell me today, Dale, if an individual was going into their computer and seeking to find a great glass or mirror company, why would they want to select your company?
Well, CNC Glass has been serving the city of Chula Vista for over 40 years. We are proud to be a woman-owned small business. We are also small business certified through the Department of General Services. Since the small beginning, we have grown to have 2 locations in San Diego County, one in Kearney Mesa, one in Chula Vista. During that time, we have become recognized as one of the leading commercial glass and residential glazing companies. Though we have grown to become a large company, we still pride ourselves in operating with integrity and personal service. We do a multitude of glass product. We do tub and shower enclosures, from standard style bypasses to custom frameless units. We do wardrobe doors from standard mirrored style to now everybody wants glass in their wardrobe doors, painted glass, things like that. We do small mirror projects from on the top of a vanity to a gym to backsplashes and kitchen backsplashes people are doing now. We do replacement windows and patio doors. We do window and door repairs. We do screens, tabletops, and we also do commercial storefronts and commercial resales.
That's quite a bit of different areas.
Quite a few things, yes ma'am.
Yeah, you can tell you've got a lot of moving parts going within your company. Well, I feel blessed that you were able to come down today because I know how busy you are and you're stretched pretty far across San Diego County.
Yes.
But thank you for joining us today and making our clients a little more aware of and more comfortable with your services when we do use you, which is on a regular basis.
We appreciate that, and thank you for having me.
Yes, thank you.
you.
Dale.